Hey guys, what to trade next week? In this video we'll discuss EURUSD, we will analyze Aussie dollar, we will take a look at gold, and I will share with you a great short trade on a pound New Zealand pair. Please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and let's start. Right traders, let's warm up analyzing Aussie dollar pair. We are on a daily time frame, and the first thing to note is that we are trading in a bearish trend. We are trading in the global bearish trend, and reaching that structure level, the market started a correctional movement. The market even started to trade in a local bullish trend. Here we have two high highs, we have a high low. So at the moment, Aussie dollar is trading in a minor bullish trend. We are correcting. And you can see that this week was very bearish for Aussie dollar pair. You can see that we got a sequence of very strong bearish candles right here. And the point is that at the moment, Aussie dollar is approaching a very important zone of demand. You can see that here we have a phenomenally strong structure, and depending on the reaction of the price to that structure, the pair will either drop lower or it will retrace from that. So let's discuss the scenarios there. Hey guys, last chance to join my premium educational group on a huge discount. Until Sunday you can get a lifetime access to the group with the 40% discount. You will get the lifetime access to my daily live streams. You will get my ebook and the video course. And as a bonus, you will get a lifetime access to my premium signals group. For more info, check the link in the description below or text me in one of the social networks. I will give you more details. It is the last chance, traders, so don't miss your chance. First of all, because the market is trading in a bearish trend, let's discuss a bearish scenario. If the price breaks that blue demand zone to the new side, if we close below that structure on a daily, then we will expect a further bearish continuation. And if the price breaks that structure to the downside and closes below, we'll expect a bearish continuation all the way down to current structure levels. Yes, but remember traders, that very important condition right here is a daily candle close below. Yes, only when we close below that structure, only then the breakout is confirmed. But how about a bullish scenario? How about buying Aussie dollar pair? Here multiple time frame analysis will help. Let's open an hourly time frame and let me show you what I see on an hourly time frame. On an hourly time frame, the market is trading in a bearish trend. Yes, you can see that here we have a healthy bearish trend. And analyzing this bearish trend, take a look what I spotted right here, traders. If we take that structure high and draw a trend line, here we have a very strong falling trend line. And here we can add one more, so that you can see that the pair is steadily falling within this falling parallel channel. And I will expect a pullback on Aussie dollar pair if the price breaks and closes above the resistance of the channel. Yes, if we violate that, if we close above that, then we will expect a correctional movement. Our first target will be that minor resistance, and if then we break that to the upside, then we'll expect a bullish movement to that resistance. With your stop loss lying below the lows of the channel, you can catch right here a very nice winner. So monitor the reaction of the price to that blue support. For now, it is hard to see what exactly will happen next week, so both scenarios are possible. Now a couple of words about EURUSD pair. The point is that if with Aussie dollar the situation is not clear, with EURUSD it is certainly bearish. Let me explain to you why. First of all, similar to Aussie dollar, we are trading here in a bearish trend. We are trading in a strong bearish trend. And analyzing the price action here on a daily, we can spot right here this falling channel. Yes, this very nice falling parallel channel that the boundaries of that the price perfectly respects, right? And you can see that recently the resistance of the channel was reached. Moreover, analyzing the reaction of the price to the resistance of the channel, you can see that here we got a very nice rising wedge pattern. And once the price reached the resistance of the channel, the market easily violated the support of the wedge to the downside with this high momentum bearish candle. We got a confirmed breakout right here. And it was a very bearish clue, and on my free Telegram channel I posted a bearish forecast after the breakout of the wedges support, and you can see how nicely the pair dropped. And a very important thing happened with euro-dollar on Thursday. Here we got a very strong horizontal demand cluster. Yes, we get a very strong horizontal structure support right here. And you can see that the price violated that to the downside. The price broke and closed below that structure, confirming the breakout. So now what can we expect? Now we can expect a further decline to current low. So far it is the closest structure support that we see, and I assume that euro-dollar will keep falling to that structure. For now, if you didn't short, I would suggest you waiting for an occasional retest of that blue area, and from that blue area look for a confirmation to sell. This area right now is a phenomenally strong resistance, so chances will be high to see a bearish reaction from that blue area. So the first goal will be that low, and I assume that then the second goal will be the support of that falling channel that we spotted zooming out the chart. So the outlook is very bearish. Be prepared for a bearish continuation on euro-dollar. Now let's discuss a pound New Zealand pair. On a pound New Zealand pair, recently a very important thing has happened. Analyzing the price action on a daily time frame, right here we got a very strong zone of demand. Yes, you can see how nicely the market respected that zone. You can see how many times in the past the price reacted to that support, and you can see how nice bullish reactions we saw from that support in the past. And it turned out that the price managed to break and close below that structure. With a strong bearish candle, we closed below that, and then for a couple of days we were trading below that structure. Then the market retested the broken structure. You can see that retesting the broken structure, the price formed right here a bearish engulfing candle, engulfing the range of that bullish candle. And as we know, the engulfing candle being formed on a key structure is a very important bearish clue. So it made me analyze lower time frames and look for confirmations to short the pair. And take a look what I spotted here on the 4-hour time frame. Analyzing the price action on a 4-hour time frame here, traders, I spotted right here a double top formation. Yes, do you see this double top? Here's our first top, second top, here's our horizontal neckline. You can see that the neckline right here was broken. The price violated the neckline right here and closed below that. And what is happening at the moment? The price is retesting the broken neckline. So I would suggest, as the market opens, first of all, when the market opens, let the price trade for 15 minutes at least. Watch how the market opens. Occasionally the market opens with gaps, and if we see the gap, the trading setup will be invalid. But if the market opens nicely without gaps, I would suggest shorting that neckline, setting your stop loss above the highs of the pattern, and your initial target will be at least that support. Yes, you can see it here. We have a quite nice support, and I assume that it will be our first goal for that trade. The second goal will be the current local low. So if we measure our risk to reward for that trade, you can see that here we can catch a very nice winner. So this setup looks highly probable to me. Yes, we have a nice retest right now, so let's hope that the price will drop right here and we will catch a nice winner. Last but not least in our analysis for today is gold. And you know, this week I received so many questions why gold is falling. And traders, I was reminding you so many times that on a weekly time frame, we have right here a phenomenally strong zone of supply. Yes, and from that area together, we were expecting a strong bearish reaction. Remember, many times I told you that that area is important, and you can see how nice high momentum bearish candle the price formed approaching that resistance. You can see that that bearish candle engulfed two bullish candles in a row, so it is a very important bearish clue. But what is now? What to expect from gold next week? First of all, traders, I wanted to show you here a very peculiar thing. Take a look. We have quite strong structure support right here. Yes, you can see that at the moment the market is approaching a daily structure support. And it looks like the price will break that. It looks like the price will manage to violate that. If we close below that blue area on a daily, where will we go next? I want to remind you that earlier together we spotted this falling trend line on gold, and it will be the next strong support and focus. So monitor the reaction of the price to that blue area. If we close below that, then we will expect a further bearish continuation to that trend line, and from that trend line we will try to buy gold. Yes, we will monitor the reaction of the price to that trend line, and we will try to buy. Of course, if I see any decent trading setup, I will definitely post an update on my free Telegram channel. So don't forget to subscribe, traders, but monitor the reaction. Alternatively, traders, remember that the market may retrace, may bounce from that blue area. Let's briefly take a look what is happening on lower time frames, and let's discuss what can be our confirmation to buy gold. Opening a 4-hour time frame, what I see right here, traders, is that gold is currently trading within this falling wedge pattern. Yes, we have a very nice falling wedge right here. And of course, while the market is trading within its boundaries, it is very bearish, right? So if you want to buy, I would recommend you waiting for at least to wait for a breakout of the resistance of the wedge first. Yes, its bullish breakout may trigger a pullback. Yes, but for now, watching how bearish was the market on Friday, you know, I don't really believe that it will manage to bounce. But who knows? Who knows? A lot of fundamentals next week, GDP, a lot of news next week. So everything may change. So let's see what will happen. Alright, traders, I hope that everything is clear in my analysis, and as always, if you have any questions, please feel free to ask me in the comment section on YouTube. Also, if you want me to analyze for you something else, also let me know in the comment section. I will be happy to analyze for you some other trading instruments. Also remember that it is the last chance for you to join my premium group on a huge discount. Don't forget to check the link in the description below. Also, traders, please like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I will see you next week.